This video provides an overview of the Ottobock Juvo Power Wheelchair series, including its models, drive types, seating systems, and control options. We start with the Juvo B4, shown here equipped with a standard seat. It is only available as a rear-wheel drive model. For control, it can be fitted with either the Penny and Giles VR2 or R-Net control device. The Juvo B5, shown here with a variably adjustable seat, VAS, and contour package, is available with either the VR2 or, as pictured here, an R-Net control. This model comes in a rear-wheel drive with front casters. Optional features shown include powered leg rests and a headrest. The B5 is very well suited for both simple and customized solutions, indoors and outdoors. Here is the Juvo B5 with front-wheel drive and rear caster wheels. It is shown here with the Penny and Giles R-Net control and is also available with the VR2 control system. This example features a VAS seating system, backslide backrest, and power elevating leg supports. The chair can also be equipped with a mechanical or electronic track stabilizer. This is a Juvo B5 with mid-wheel drive size 1, designed for children and teenagers. It features a narrower frame design compared to size 2, which is shown here with a VAS seat and R-Net control system. This is the Juvo B7 with mid-wheel drive, featuring an advanced power seat, APS, and Contour 2 cushion. This series, like the C7, is equipped with the Icon control system. In addition to the hand control device with Tetra fork, this model features an external LCD module. Also with rear-wheel drive, we see the Juvo C7. Equipped with the Icon control system and a dual servo steering system, it is suitable for both standard and highly customized solutions, and for users who need a stable outdoor wheelchair while maintaining maximum maneuverability indoors. The modular Juvo Power Wheelchair family offers 3 drive types, 3 seating systems, and 3 control systems, along with driver assistance options and a wide range of accessories and features. It is suitable for everything from basic solutions to highly customized configurations.